Hi, I'm Dr. Shweta Wazir, obstetrician and gynecologist at Sylvanus Clinic, Gurgaon. Today, I want to talk to you about two essential tests that help prevent one of the most curable cancers, that is cervical cancer, through a very early detection. Pap smear and HPV test, though often mentioned together, serve different but equally important roles in screening for cervical cancer. Let's understand what each one does and why both matter. A pap smear or cervical cytology checks for abnormal or precancerous cells in the cervix. These changes, if left untreated, may turn into cancer over time. It is usually recommended every 3 years for women aged 21 to 65 years. The HPV test looks for high-risk strains of the human papillomavirus, especially type 16 and 18, that are responsible for nearly 70% of the cervical cancers. It's recommended every 5 years for women aged 25 to 65 years. Think of this way, the pap smear detects the damage and the HPV test finds the cause. That's why co-testing, doing both, is the most thorough approach. Yes, especially between the ages of 25 to 65, co-testing gives a complete picture of your cervical health. If HPV testing alone isn't available, a pap smear every 3 years is still an effective option. Both tests are quick and performed during a routine pelvic examination. A soft brush is used to collect cervical cells. It may feel a little uncomfortable, but it's not painful and you could save your life. A positive HPV test doesn't mean you have cancer, it simply means that the virus is present. Most HPV infections go away on their own. An abnormal pap means there are changes in the cervical cells which may need closer monitoring or testing. Cervical cancer develops slowly, often over 10 to 20 years. That is why regular screening is so powerful. When detected early, the treatment success rates are over 90%. If abnormal cells are found, treatments like cryotherapy, laser therapy, or LEAP can remove them before they become dangerous. In more serious cases, surgery or radiation may be required. The HPV vaccine protects against the most harmful virus strains. It is best given between ages 9 to 12, but is effective up to age 26 and in some cases up to age 45. Yes, the pap smear and HPV test work best together. Early screening combined with vaccination offers the best defense against cervical cancer. At Sylvanus Clinic, we offer advanced cervical cancer screening using the latest PAP and HPV testing protocols.